Two angles of a triangle are 102.8 degrees and 46.5 degrees. The side opposite the obtuse angle has length 3.2 cm. Find the shortest side of the triangle. There are two given angles of the triangle, 102.8 degrees and 46.5 degrees. For all we know that every triangle has a total of 180 degrees. So I assume that 102.8 degrees is in angle B, and also assume that 46.5 degrees is in angle C. So you want to find the angle A. Angle A is equals to 180 degrees minus 102.8 degrees minus 46.5 degrees is equal to 30.7 degrees. Angle A is equal to 30.7 degrees. On this problem, we want to find the shortest side of the triangle. The shortest side of the triangle is the side opposite the lowest angle of the triangle. The lowest angle of the triangle is in angle A, and the side opposite in angle A is the side A or the side BC. In order to find that, since we have know the three angles, angle B, and angle C, and there are only one side given, the side B is equal to 3.2 cm. We use sine law, or side A over its opposite, the sine angle A, is equal to the side B over its opposite, the sine angle B. A over sine 30.7 degrees is equal to 3.2 over sine 102.8 degrees. The value of A is equal to 1.675 centimeter.